pink.
Hindi ah.
Why stay here?
Alin?
Why stay in cellphone?
I'm calling Dada.
I calling Dada.
Opo.
Yeah. Dada is going to work.
Dada's mommy's jump siya.
Yeah.
Wow, Dada jump.
There's my Dada cellphone.
What color is your drink?
Orange.
I thought it was pink.
What's color this one?
Black.
No. It's yellow. Green.
Wow. Sorry, I didn't know.
You better eat na.
What's color this one?
Black.
No, blue.
Oh, okay.
Seven, don't eat more.
Bakit?
Oh, don't eat man.
Sorry, I'm gutom.
Seven, don't eat more. Only 20.
Okay.
Only little bit.
Okay, like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
A little bit only. Don't talk when your mouth is full.
It's so full.
Yeah.
Okay.
You better eat na your food.
Baby George.
Baby George. Who's Baby George? Who's Baby George?
One puppy.
Peppa Pig. Oh, sit down there. You eat na your food. Dali. Where you going? Hey!
Grandpa Pig.
Grandpa Pig.
Where's Grandpa Pig?
Here.
Come here na. Come here na.
I want to George. I love you, George.
I love you. You better eat your food now, Seisha.
Okay.
I want to see you eating your food now. What is that, Seisha? Is that a chicken? Wow.
Ano eat mo? Ano eat mo? Ano drink mo?
Juice. Sabi, this is juice.
Sino nagbigay sa'yo niyan?
Dada.
Ugong sa'yo ni Dada.
Yes.
Oh, sit down only.
Sit down.
Yeah, and eat. Eat your chicken.
Eat na rice. Ayaw mo ng rice? Ayaw mo ng rice? Why, man? Hindi ka magiging big. No more na.